Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. Today we are going to work on fraction addition, and we are going to work with fraction with the same denominator. For the fraction with the same denominator, we are going to add the numerator and we are going to leave the denominator alone. The denominator is going to remain the same. So let's go and do question number 1. We have 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7. This question has the same denominator. So denominator, they are going to remain the same. We are going to add 3 plus 2. Three plus 2, we are going to get 5. And denominator will never change, will remain as 7. Let's do question number 2. We have 10 over 17 plus 3 over 17. The denominator is the same, 17. We're going to add the numerator, 10 plus 3, we're going to get 13 over 17. Let's go and do question number 3. We have 4 over 9 plus 3 over 9. We have the same denominator 9, so 9 is going to remain the same, but the numerator will add them. Now we are in question number 4. We have 5 over 20 plus 7 over 20. We have the same denominator 20, so the denominator is going to remain the same. And we'll add the numerator, that is 5 plus 7. $12 over 20. If we simplify by 4, is equal to 3 by 4, 5. Let's do question number 5. Question number 5 is a mixed number having the same denominator. So first we are going to add the whole number separately and the fraction separately. So we'll take 3 plus 5. Then we are going to add the fraction part, which is 4 over 9 plus 3 over 9. We will get 3 plus 5, we're going to get 8. And the fraction part, 4 plus 3, we get 7. But the denominator will remain the same, that is going to be 9. We have question number 6. We'll take whole number plus whole number, that is 12 plus fraction plus fraction, that is 2 over 12 plus 7 over 12. 12 plus 4, we get 16. 7, denominator will remain the same, 12. But 2 plus 7, we get 9. Let's do question number 7. We have whole number 9 plus whole number 6 plus the fraction part, that is 3 over 8 plus 4 over 8. The whole number plus whole number, that is 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. And the fraction part, the denominator remains the same. Numerator we are going to add 3 plus 4 will get 7. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.